Hi, this is Cheryl from Perfect Paints, and I'm here to show you a few tips using Shimmering Matte Acrylics and one of my fluid mediums. Today, I'm going to show you how to thicken my paints. So I'm going to show you my Shimmering Matte Acrylics and my Perfect Thickening Gel additive and how they work together. All you want to do is take whatever colors you decide that you want to use. I think I'll use Emerald City and Rains Liquor. So all I'm going to do is take my palette knife and scoop out a little bit of my thickening gel. Clean my palette knife off, and I'm going to mix it in. So I'm going to say it's about 40 to 50% ratio that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can see it's going to thicken really quickly. And I actually got a little green in there, which is fine. And then I'll do the green. And then I also have one of my stencils. So all I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my yellow-green mixture, a little bit of my green, and just wipe it through my stencil. And you can see that it thickens right before your eyes, so you can kind of tell if you want to add a little bit more or leave it the way that it is. And you just simply lift your stencil off. It works perfectly, so you can start using it on paper, you can use it on fabric, book paper. You can see it lays really flat on the book paper. Thank you for tuning in for Perfect Paints Tips and Techniques. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.